Look at this gorgeous holiday themed box. It's got little reindeers on it. I love it. I don't really do unboxing. That's not the point of this specific video. What I'm excited about on this one is a 7" by 8" upgrade Courtney monotop human hair. She's 12 inches. My favorite color, which is the 211 espresso brown. This one is Chinese hair. So I'm gonna show you her out of the box, gonna put her on, run a straightener through her to see what she looks like, compare her to the Burmese hair. And so let's first get this one out. Okay, so this is 12 inches and you can already see the layers. She's got some box hair, but we're gonna get rid of that. You have the mono top, which I think is very, very beginner friendly. So I'm gonna try her on real quick for you. Let me run my straightener through her a little bit so you can get the real effects of her. First impression, very, very, very soft, buttery soft, lightweight hair. I feel like she's blending very well with my bio hair. Oh my God, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my head. What I like about this piece is the monotop is definitely beginner friendly, so that's a plus for beginners. Another plus for beginners is that she's not super like thick, like the hair actually feels like the strands feel a little bit finer, which is really good when you're transitioning to alternative hair for the first time. And this one, because it's monotop, would be really good if you wanted to wear it back. If you have a thicker hairline than I do, wear it back and blend it in. Let's see if I can do that for you real quick. Let's just do that and see. UniWigs has hair fibers. You can put them in if you don't have that much hair right there and you want to blend it in anyway to make it feel more natural. So I'm putting that right behind the hairs that I pulled out. And the good thing about doing it this way, even if you don't have that much hair, is that it kind of like just adds, like when the wind blows, it kind of makes it look even more natural because you've got your hair in there and you're just lifting it and kind of blending it in. And then what I would do is I would take some hair fibers and to blend in all that. So you've got the hair fibers and I'm putting on the applicator because I want precision on where I'm putting these fibers. I don't want to just shake it all around. Shake it all around. Right here. Just a reminder that these fibers are not water resistant, so you will want to spray them with like a hairspray to kind of lock them in place. So that made it look a lot fuller. But yeah, I am really liking the texture, the way she falls, very natural. And of course the color is just perfect for me, perfect. These are so good for like a cute little updo because you can just pull those layers out and it looks so natural. So that's a cute way you can wear it as well. I would probably do more zhuzhing if I was gonna wear it. So I am going to pull out the upgrade Courtney, different color, and she's Burmese hair. So she has a beautiful, beautiful curl pattern, but this one's not supposed to curl. So if you have naturally straight hair and you don't want to have to straighten the topper every time you wash it, then Chinese hair is probably going to be a better fit for you.